Hello, Gavin again from Lucid Computer Solutions. How are we doing? So today, this is my first ever unboxing video, and this may be a little tongue-in-cheek, but let's go with it. So today I will be unboxing some HP server memory. Now I can't think of anything better or more exciting to unbox than this, so should we get straight into it? So what we've got here is some HP server memory. It comes in a fairly standard A4 size box. The cardboard itself feels just like standard cardboard, as you would kind of expect of a product. So let's open it up and see what we've got. So box is easy enough to open, that's the good news. And look at that, feast your eyes on that. So what we've got here is this protective foam on both sides of the cardboard, which is great, and we've got the memory here in a protective anti-static bag to keep this component nice and secure. It is sealed, which is what we're after, which is great. So yeah, that's it, all unboxed. First impressions of this product, amazing. Please do go out and rush out and buy this stuff, and yeah, absolutely fantastic. So there we go, our first ever unboxing video. Please do smash the like button, please do subscribe to the channel, please do comment and I'll get back to you, and use the below links to connect with me on LinkedIn, Twitter and Instagram. Thanks a lot guys, bye bye.